Hi everyone. In this short video, we'll replace the battery from this lovely MIMCO watch. Nice rose shimmery gold in 24mm, black dial with faux diamond hours. It's very popular with the ladies and rightly so. This is going to be a straightforward battery replacement, nothing special, so let's do this. Okay, so battery replacement. I'll start off by removing the bracelet. I tend to remove the bracelet rather than the end links. I just find it easier that way, so I mean, to each his own. Just push that in and it should pop out. Okay, now that we've got that out of the way, let's just look at the back. Now this is a snap-on case back, so you can just pop it open with a knife blade. Now it's just a matter of trying to look for that tab, which you can see here. Yep. Now such a small tab in a tight compact space. I'll just use the small knife. It should come off easy, but in this case it wouldn't. As you can clearly see, I'm struggling with it. Time to get a bigger knife. Okay. So now that we've got Big Brother, we'll take another stab at it. No pun intended. And how easy was that? Okay. Just put it down and find out what's inside. And the old battery is loose. That should be held down by that clip, but as you can see, it's not holding it down. Makes it easy for taking it out, but okay, out with the old. And in with the new. Now I've got rubber gloves, oh sorry, I got rubber finger cuts on, so I can hold the battery with my fingers. Yeah, there's something wrong with this clip. It's not holding the battery down as it should. So it turns out the clip had been screwed prior. So let me just loosen that here. Okay. Let's just fasten that clip. And time to screw it down in place. Alright. Okay, now let's just clean up the surrounds. Let's grab the duster, the blower. Okay, let's have a look, see if the second hand is moving. And sure enough it is. I think that's good. Okay, now let's just put the case back on again and close this watch. Okay, it's in the right position. Now since it's just a case back, it's just pushing it with your fingers. Try to push it shut. Well, that's the main idea. As difficult it was to open, it's also proving to be difficult to close. As you can see. No, it's not working. We'll have to use a case press. And just make sure when you use a case press, you use the right size. You don't want to break the crystal. Let's gently press it down. Yeah, there you go. Right, let's just have a look. Just give it a bit of a inspection here. And I think that's it. We replaced the watch battery, screwed in the clip, closed the back nice and tight. Thank you again for watching, and if you liked the video, please don't forget to bash the like button. And if you want to see more videos, just click on subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notification of future videos. Thanks!